Yesterday, in my morning update with the Asia session for gold and silver, I told you, I warned you that there could be swings. You need to be aware. Gold and silver both have seen a sharp drop and then have shown a smart recovery. Now, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon in order to keep update with the latest analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel where you will get the live updates of the market. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now we have seen already that gold is trading in this box. You can clearly see first of all 2010 to 1970, and yes, there was a breach below 1970, however failed to sustain. Now this is the first observation. Second observation here is, see the highs here, and you can see clearly lower highs, and if you look at this, higher low and higher low. So this means this is a phase of consolidation. If you just connect these dots, you will find this is a phase of consolidation. Here higher lows, lower highs are seen here. Now let's have a further detailed look in. You can see big drops there, and then this is retracement. Now it is trying to trade bullish, but it has failed to break past the previous high here, which means that still there is bearishness, and probably if it drops, it is going to be another very good drop there. Now let's have a further detailed look here on the hourly charts. The highs are very much limited till towards 2000-2005 zone, and if you look at the hourly charts, you will find lower highs, higher lows. This is also consolidation and it is trying to form a flag. Hence, any breakout below 1992 levels should be considered for a sell. Then you have to watch out for 1985, 80, rather I will say 88, 84 and 80 levels. These are the three major resistance if you are selling at 1992. And below that, anyways, it is going to drop harder, where we might see the next stop is going to be 1974, 70 zone. Till 70, do not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back again. Now, what to be considered as a break on the upside? Yes, if you see it trading above 2005, then certainly one has to stay long. We are going to look at 2010, which is the stronger resistance, and beyond that further highs can be expected. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this is looking down here, trying to trade little bit. If you look at the MACD, this is trading with slight divergence. It is in green right now. The candle size is diminishing here. It means that the bullishness is trying to get diminished. The RSI is almost trading flat. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Now largely what we have seen, the zone and the consolidation that remains same from the hourly charts, but the near term 2-hour chart, see the 100 period moving average giving it a support at 1995. On the upside there is slight resistance, and if you specifically look at these two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and then you need to wait for a breakout. Yes, you can sell at 1992. Further below that, certainly more bearishness may prevail, where you can expect a sharper drop. The stochastic trading near to the highs, the MACD is divergent and bullish here. The RSI is also trading flat with slight bullish bias. And if you look at 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, this is still consolidating for last 3 candles. Now see straight 3 bullish candle, and look at this candle, it holded a tail there, and yes, you can see almost flat bottom. So it is trying to retrace, but then let's be watchful there. Now certainly lower highs are seen, so any breakout on the upside is going to be considered as a bullish move. Stochastic very near to the highs. The MACD is in green, trying to diverge more. RSI is flat and not indicating bullishness or bearishness. If you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation, nothing different. Let it, and that is why I say sell below 1992 levels, and then you can expect 1988, 84, very good support. Stochastic is seen looking upwards, showing bullishness. At the same time, the MACD is also divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards and it is looking forward to a slight recovery, and hence possibly once it stays beyond 2005 you can buy, but then 2010 very strong resistance, and I will wait for it to break past 2010 levels. RSI is almost trading flat. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily chart, see first of all look at these 4 candles. The bottom, the lows are very well connected, beautifully connected there. If you look at the highs also, you will find it is also very well connected. trading within this zone, and hence 2005 levels, 2005 levels is going to be a good resistance, beyond which only I will recommend you to buy for 2010, 2015, and then 2020. 2020 is a larger resistance there on the upside. Now, see, first of all, look at the body size and the tail size. The tail size was stronger there. Body size has diminished. It indicates that the bullishness is diminished. Also, the three candles are done. There is a possibility of a retracement, and if it does, it is going to be a sharper drop today. Stochastic looking up, the MACD is still divergent and bearish. It is started to converge with the green candle yesterday. You can also see the candle size have started to converge. So let's be watchful, because this crossover has happened at a higher levels. There is a possibility, there is a tendency that it can slide more. RSI almost trading flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell today at 1992 levels. In fact, those who want to risk a little can sell at 1995. So below 1995, you can expect 92, 88, 84, and then 80. Every $4 there is a stronger support. Below 80, we are going to look at a very good drop there. So take your positions accordingly. Remember, till 1970, do not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back again, and below that only further drop is expected. On the upside, you can buy here at 2005. About 2005, 2010 is something you should watch out for, and then we will look out for 2015, 2020. Till 2020, do not consider this as bullish. Beyond 2020, it is going to fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. A sharper drop. In fact, it went till 2450, 2450, which is a very good support. I told you yesterday, below 2480, we might see a very good drop. Now see, after that it has retraced again lower highs, and now consolidating here with the resistance at 2510. 2510 we have always seen as a very good resistance level. Hence, if you see it trading above 2510, you can buy here again. And then 2520, 2510, 2520 is the zone it needs to break out. Beyond 2520, again we may see very good bullish momentum. At the same time, on the downside, remember, it has retraced, it is consolidating. Probably it may call for a next round of drop, but then it has to stay below first 2490. You can sell there, but then 2480, 2470, this bottom, it needs to break below 2470 in order to confirm the drop, and then you can again expect 2450 levels. Stochastic looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness. At the same time, the MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is almost trading flat. And if you look at 2-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts, a drop, a retracement. And see, previously it was trading in this bullish channel, it has achieved, bearish channel, it has achieved a slightly higher levels. Now see, flat top at 2540, it was also trading in the box. And if you look at the complete move here, now see, this was the previous drop and this is the new drop. You can find out the complete movement is precisely fixed between 2460, 2450 levels to almost 2540. But at the same time, it is also giving you lower highs, and the movement is slightly skewed on the downside, which is indicating slight bearishness, and hence one need to remain cautious. Yes, you can sell at 2490 and buy at 2510. Now look at a stochastic. This is also trading slightly overbought. The MACD has crossed over here and trading with little divergence. You can see this, it is looking upwards, looking to trade with the bullishness. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour chart, now look at 3-hour chart, see the lows there, see the high there, how beautifully they are connected. Now the highs for the day on this channel is 2530, 2540 level. So in fact, if you are taking a buy at 2510, you need to remember 2520, 2530, 2540. Till 2540, every 10 cents you need to ensure that you are putting a trailing stop loss or you are shifting your stop loss accordingly. On the downside, once again, 2450, 2440 is good support. This is a bearish channel. This is a sideways movement. It is trying to trade in this zone. The stock has taken back to overbought levels. On the other hand, the MACD is crossed over. It is trying to diverge more. It is trying to trade with the bullishness. RSI is almost flat. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour chart, see, yes, it is trying to get a resistance here, lower lows, lower highs, trying to show you swing here. And if you look at the candle size on the previous candle was very small here, indicating the bullishness is diminishing. Probably it may signal a reversal here, and then the next candle may start on a bearish note, taking it again on the downside. What it has done here, it may replicate the same again. The stochastic looking up, the MACD is crossing over for a buy. See, most of the time, most of the candles, MACD is trying to cross over for a buy entry, and it is crossing over at a lower levels. The RSI almost trading flat. So considering this, first let's also have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts, higher highs, lower lows, almost at the pivot levels at 2490, below which you can expect it to drop a little more. And then remember the 20 period moving average at 2480, and 2480 is indeed anyways a very good support. Below 2480 only further bearishness may prevail, and then you can expect 2460, 2450, 2440 till 2440, very good support. Below that we may see it hitting 2420, $24 levels. On the upside, you can also see lower highs, lower lows trading in this channel. On the upside, 2530 is the level we should watch out for. Stochastic flat, MACD is divergent, bearish. It is looking down here, and this crossover is happening after a good strong winning streak, and hence it may continue. RSI looking down, indicating slight bearishness. So considering this, you can sell today at 2490, buy at 2510. In between this 20 cents, do not take any trade. On the upside, be alert till 2540. On the downside, be alert till 2480 levels. And above and below, you need to ensure 2450, 2440, very strong support zone. On the upside, 2540, 2560, very strong resistance zone. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.